This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, and just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy and Tim! There's something noisy outside. Listen. Busy builders. Oh, I can see a crane. So can I. The crane is putting heavy things onto our new next-door neighbour, Mr Fen's driveway. It's very noisy. Oh, look, there's Mr Fen. He's wearing a builder's hat. He's coming to our door, Mummy.
Hello, Topsy and Tim. Hello, Joy.
Hello, Mr Fen.
Hello.
Hello, Mr Fen.
What's that crane putting on your drive, Mr Fen?
That's bricks. Yeah, I'm doing some building today with those bricks. Do you want to help me?
Yes, please. I'm going to get my builder's hat. I've got one just like yours.
Oh, I think it's in the kitchen, Tim.
Oh, okay.
Great. Is that okay, John?
Yeah, of course it is.
Here it is. I'm ready. Please may I go and watch the crane with Mr Fen now?
Yes, of course you can, Tim. But do exactly as Mr Fen says and wear your hat at all times to stay safe, okay?
Okay. The crane is very big and very loud. What are you going to do with all those bricks, Mr Fen?
I'm building a driveway. Look. So, this is my driveway, where I park my car. Today, we're going to build more driveway here, so Mrs Fen gets somewhere to park her car.
Hello, Mrs Fen.
Hello, Tim. You look like a proper builder in that hat.
I am a proper builder.
Ah, there goes the crane. Let's give it a wave goodbye.
Bye.
All right, let's get Topsy out so we can start building, okay?
Topsy can't find a builder's hat like mine, so she wears a fireman's helmet instead. I like your helmet, Topsy. I like yours too, Tim.
You two look great.
All right, my busy builders. These are my bricks, yes?
They're special building bricks for building a driveway.
That's correct, Tim. Absolutely. So, first job, can you help me take all the plastic off them? Yeah?
Yes.
Ready? All right, let's go.
Red! They're red like your old drive, Mr Fen.
Exactly. So the new driveway is going to match the old driveway. Yeah?
Hello, Mr Fen.
Ah! Hello, Eric and Joe. Hello, here are my builders. Lads, I want you to meet Topsy and Tim. They've just joined the building team.
Hello, Topsy and Tim.
Hello, Eric and Joe. Hello.
Ah, now, I can see your next job, you two. Can you make a nice cup of tea, put them in these flasks for Eric and Joe?
Okay.
All right?
I'll help you.
Thank you.
And can we have a biscuit too for Eric and Joe, Mummy?
Yes, of course we can. Come on.
See you soon. Bye.
Take care, you two. Thank you, Tim.
When we filled the flasks and got the biscuits, Mr Fen and his builders come round to have tea in our porch. We have biscuits too.
Right, come on, team. We've got to get to work building my driveway. Thank you for the tea.
Thanks for the tea.
Thank you very much, Topsy and Tim.
Now, be careful, Topsy and Tim, and listen carefully to what Mr Fen tells you to do, okay?
We will, Mummy.
Hold that broom for me, please, Builder Tim.
Okay, Mr.
Over
Fen.
here. Builder Topsy over here.
Yes, Mr. Fen.
Can you hold this broom for me, Topsy? And get ready to sweep some sand off the top of this pile over towards Tim, okay? When Topsy sweeps the sand over to you, both of you are then going to sweep the sand into the gaps in between the new bricks of my driveway that Eric and Joe have laid. All right?
Okay.
Come on, then. Sweep a bit off. Very good.
Tim. Oh, Topsy. Need lots more sand.
Well, yeah, that's okay.
Vroom.
Now, make sure you fill all the gaps. Yes, sweep it into even the smallest gaps.
We will.
Good. So the bricks don't wobble and the weeds won't grow.
Okay.
Hi, everyone. How's it going?
Hi, Mummy.
I think the new driveway is looking very good. Yes, thank you, Joy. And Topsy and Tim are being very helpful.
I want to do building all day, Mummy.
Well, after lunch, you can come back out and help again. But right now, you must be hungry.
We are.
All right, well, let me take those brooms off you. And enjoy your lunch.
Nice work, guys. Come on.
We had pasta for lunch, but all we could talk about was building. So the bricks would be in a straight line.
Oh, good.
Mummy, please can I go and see what the builders are doing now?
You finished?
Yes, thank you.
Oh, thank you, Topsy. OK, you can go and see.
Tim, they nearly finished the drive. I'm going to nearly finish my lunch. Mr. Fen's walking over to our front door again, Mummy.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Fen.
Hello, Topsy. I've got something for you.
Come on in, I'll make some room on the table.
Mr. Fen comes round with a picture that shows where all the bricks go.
It's here. Can we roll this down here? Okay. Look at that, huh?
It's a garage.
Yeah, that's right. It's
Your
a pattern.
driveway's a pattern.
Uh-huh. So, Eric and Joe followed this pattern to lay all the bricks in my new driveway. But I have one last job that I need you two, Topsy and Tim, to do. And I have one last brick. So, my busy builders, would you please help me to place the final brick in my new driveway?
Yes, please.
Excellent.
I'll get my builder's hat. Here you go.
Oh, careful. There you go.
Come on, I'll watch you.
All right. Careful with that. Topsy.
We mustn't drop the brick, Tim. No.
No, it will hurt if it falls on your toes.
Now, look, there is one final brick missing.
Yeah. Let's put it in together, Topsy. Yeah. Oh, careful, Tim.
After three. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's stand back and have a look.
We've built the driveway. We've built the driveway.
Yes, you have. Thank you, my busy builders. Yes, you have.
Well done, Topsy and Tim. Can't wait to show Dad when he gets home.
Oh, yes, yes. And that's when Mr. Fen said, I might do some other building jobs soon.
I might do some other building jobs soon, Topsy and Tim.
Great. Can we be busy builders with you again, Mr. Fen? Please, double, please.
Of course you can.
Yay!
You're now part of Mr. Fen's building team, Topsy and Tim.
And that's, Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we helped Mr. Fen build his driveway. Can you remember the colour of Tim's builder's hat? Was it yellow? Or was it blue? The answer is behind Wiggles the rabbit. Look, the answer is yellow. Watch this. Topsy can't find a builder's hat like mine.
Crack on with this
so she wears a fireman's helmet instead. I like your helmet, Topsy. I like yours too, Tim.
You two look great.
All right, my busy builders. These are my bricks. Yes?
They're special building bricks for building a driveway.
That's correct, Tim. Absolutely. So, first job, can you help me take all the plastic off them? Yeah?
Yes.
Ready? All right, let's go.
Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.